Tired of dual booting or needing a Windows installation drive but only have Linux? In this video, we'll show you how to create a bootable Windows USB drive directly on Ubuntu 22.04. All using the terminal first, you'll need a few things: a Windows ISO file compatible with your desired Windows version, a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage, and of course, your Ubuntu 22.04 system. Let's get started. Start by inserting your USB drive into your computer. Make sure there's nothing important on the drive, as this process will wipe it clean. Next, find the Windows ISO file you intend to use, ideally downloaded and say where you can easily locate it. Open your terminal. The first step is to update your package list. For this, we'll use a simple command that updates all package lists. This ensures we have the latest versions of the tools we'll be using. Now, we need to install a tool called WoeUSB. This is our utility for creating the bootable USB. We'll use a specific installation command to install it, allowing us to create the necessary boot drive. Once that's done, we'll launch WoeUSB by typing a command in the terminal, which will open its graphical interface. Inside WoeUSB, select your Windows ISO file using the Browse button and also select the USB drive from the drop-down list. Carefully double-check that you've selected the correct USB drive to avoid data loss. Click the Install button to start the creation process. WoeUSB will now copy the Windows files to your USB drive and make it bootable. This may take some time, depending on your USB drive speed, so be patient. When the process is complete, you'll have a bootable Windows USB drive ready for installation or repair. You can now use this USB drive to boot from and install Windows on another computer. Remember to adjust your computer's BIOS boot order if you want to specifically boot from the USB drive.